Okay.
I'm gonna build it like this high.
Okay.
Not like this.
And you can trade balls, you can share balls.
I want the rubber ball.
I'm trading down my ball.
After you use it once, you're going to trade for another one?
See?
Yep.
Okay, can you move, please? Go
Oh, am I in your way?
Yep.
That made it go faster?
It made it go far.
Oh, far.
Yeah.
Why did it make it go so far, Vanessa?
Because it's high.
What happens when it's high?
It goes fast.
It goes fast, and because it's fast, it goes
Now, fast.
fast. I think your ball went way over there,
Up
Vanessa.
your stand.
In here.
You're trying to get it in this basket?
Yeah.
Well, is the ball going to get in through here? How should we put the basket so that
I'm
it
trying
can
to
roll
put
in?
it here.
Right.
That's
But
it.
is the ball going to go like this and jump into the basket? How can we position the basket so you could maybe get it to land inside?
Maybe I should try to run like this.
Okay.
I'm
Oh,
trying to run.
Susan, looks like you got to start over.
You know, first you have to put it right.
Yes. See how Libby? That was good thinking, Libby. Libby just showed you that if you put the basket this way, it'll be more likely that the ball goes in.
That's
Why don't you give that a shot? How far do you think you can put the basket down there to make the ball go in? Bounce right off. Can you move the basket further back, Vanessa, and make it still go in?
I want to leave it like that.
You want to leave it like that for a while?
Give me Ray. Give me the ball.
Hey, Ray and Susan, if you built a ramp the same size and raced your balls, whose ball do you think would win?
Give me mine. Give me
You
the
think yours
ball.
would win? Why?
This guy, give me the ball. My big.
Yours would win? Why do you think it would win? What does your ball have that her ball doesn't? Who do you think would win? Which ball would win, yours or Ray's?
Mine.
Mine? You know what? You think you're going to win, you think you're going to win. Why don't you two build ramps the